Dude, imagine this. You're at the mall, eyes locked on those fresh kicks you've been eyeing for weeks, but there's a problem. Your wallet's thinner than a stack of pancakes. That's a serious bummer, right? Having your own cash is the ultimate freedom pass. It's about having options, treating yourself, and building a future where you call the shots. No more begging your parents for every little thing. Want that new game? Boom! You've got the funds. Craving a pizza party with your crew? Easy peasy. Money gives you the power to make things happen, and that's what being a teenager is all about. You gotta hustle for it, my friend. Get ready to level up your financial game. Let's face it, chores aren't exactly the most thrilling way to spend your time. But hold up. What if I told you that those mundane tasks could actually be your secret weapon to financial freedom? First things first, communication is key. Sit down with your parents and have an open conversation about getting paid for extra chores around the house. Present a well-thought-out plan. Create a chore chart outlining specific tasks and how much each one is worth. Think outside the box. Mowing the lawn, washing the car, organizing the garage. These are all prime opportunities to rake in some serious dough. The beauty of this method is that it's consistent income. You're in control, setting your own hours and building a solid work ethic along the way. It's a win-win situation. All right, so you've conquered the chore game and you're ready for the next level. It's time to unleash your inner entrepreneur and explore the exciting world of side hustles. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? Maybe you're a tech whiz who can fix any phone screen faster than you can say algorithm. Or perhaps you're a creative soul who can whip up stunning graphics or craft captivating social media posts. From dog walking and pet sitting to tutoring younger students or offering lawn care services, the possibilities are endless. Remember, starting a side hustle takes effort, but the rewards are well worth it. You'll gain valuable experience, learn essential business skills, and build a network of connections that could benefit you in the future. Plus, who doesn't love the feeling of being their own boss? Hold up, internet junkies! Did you know that you can actually make money online? No, seriously. One popular option is online surveys. Companies are always looking for feedback from consumers, and they're willing to pay for your opinions. Sign up for reputable survey sites and start sharing your thoughts on everything from the latest gadgets to your favorite snacks. Another cool gig is social media management. If you're a social media guru with a knack for creating engaging content, why not put those skills to good use? Many businesses are willing to pay teams to manage their social media accounts. And hey, if you're a gaming fanatic, you can even get paid to play. The internet is your oyster, my friend. Just remember to stay safe, be wary of scams, and always get permission from a parent or guardian before sharing any personal information online. Section 5. Freelancing, be your own boss. All right, listen up, future entrepreneurs. This is your chance to shine and make a mark in the world. If you're ready to take your earning game to the next level and embrace the freedom of being your own boss, then freelancing might be your calling. Imagine working on projects that excite you and having the flexibility to set your own schedule. Freelancing is all about using your skills and talents to offer services to clients on a project basis. It's a fantastic way to turn your passions into a profitable venture. The beauty of freelancing is that you get to choose the projects you work on, set your own rates, and work from wherever you want. Whether it's a park, a cozy cafe, or your own home office, the choice is yours. So what kind of services can you offer as a freelancer? The options are vast and varied. The possibilities are practically endless. You can tailor your services to match your unique skills and interests. If you're a wordsmith, you could offer writing, editing, or proofreading services. These are always in demand and can be very rewarding. Got an eye for design? Dive into graphic design, logo creation, or social media graphics. These creative fields are perfect for those with a knack for visual storytelling. Tech savvy, web development, coding, and tech support are always in high demand. These skills can open doors to numerous opportunities. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer connect freelancers with potential clients, making it easier than ever to find gigs. These platforms are a great starting point for building your freelance career. Remember, freelancing requires dedication, professionalism, and a strong work ethic. It's not always easy, but the effort you put in will pay off, but the rewards are well worth it. The satisfaction of completing a project and the freedom to work on your own terms are unparalleled. Section 6, turning passion into cash. You know that thing you're super passionate about? The one you could talk about for hours on end? Yeah, that. What if I told you that you could actually turn that passion into cold, hard cash? Let's say you're a gaming fanatic. Why not start a YouTube channel or Twitch stream where you share your gameplay, reviews, and commentary? Or maybe you're a fashionista with a knack for putting together killer outfits. Start a fashion blog or Instagram account where you showcase your style, share fashion tips, and collaborate with brands. The key is to identify your passions, find your niche, and create high-quality content that resonates with your target audience. Remember, people are drawn to authenticity and enthusiasm, so let your true colors shine. Section 7, the art of the flip. All right, bargain hunters and treasure seekers, this one's for you. Get ready to dive into the exciting world of flipping. Flipping is all about finding undervalued items, giving them a little TLC, and selling them for a profit. It's a blend of creativity, strategy, and a keen eye for value. The beauty of flipping is that you can find hidden gems practically anywhere. Thrift stores, garage sales, online marketplaces, even your own attic. The possibilities are endless. Start by researching popular items in high demand. Knowledge is power, and knowing what's hot can give you a significant edge. Vintage clothing, sneakers, electronics, collectibles. These are just a few examples of items that can fetch a pretty penny if you know where to look and how to sell them. The key is to stay informed and be on the lookout for trends. Once you've snagged a potential gold mine, it's time to give it some love. A little effort can go a long way in increasing an item's value. Clean it up, make any necessary repairs, and stage it for sale. Presentation is everything, so make sure your item looks its best. High-quality photos and compelling descriptions are key to attracting buyers and maximizing your profits. A well-presented item can make all the difference. Flipping takes patience, persistence, and a bit of luck, but the rewards can be well worth it. Stay dedicated, keep learning, and enjoy the thrill of the hunt. Section 8, balancing act, school and side dough. Okay, so you're pumped about making money, and that's awesome. It's great to have that entrepreneurial spirit and the drive to earn some extra cash. But hold your horses for a sec. Let's take a moment to think this through. Before you dive headfirst into the world of side hustles and money-making ventures, let's talk about the importance of balance. Look, I get it. The allure of making money can be strong. Making money is cool, but don't let it overshadow your education. Your studies are the foundation for your future success. School is your main gig right now, and acing those grades is crucial for your future. Think of your education as the stepping stone to bigger opportunities. Think of it this way. A good education is an investment that will pay off big time down the road. It opens doors to better career prospects and higher earning potential. The key is to find a balance that works for you. It's all about managing your time wisely. Schedule dedicated time for both schoolwork and your side hustle. Create a plan that allows you to excel in both areas without burning out. Avoid overloading yourself with too many commitments and learn to prioritize your time effectively. It's important to know your limits and not stretch yourself too thin. Your mental and physical health should always come first. Make sure to take breaks, relax, and engage in activities that rejuvenate you. And hey, if you're feeling overwhelmed, don't hesitate to reach out for support. Talk to a mentor, a teacher, or friends who can offer guidance and help you navigate through challenges. Section 9, success stories from zero to hero. All right, let's take a break from the tips and tricks for a moment and get inspired by some real-life success stories of teens who turned their entrepreneurial dreams into reality. Meet Ben Pasternak, a young entrepreneur who taught himself to code at age 9 and launched his first successful app, Impossible Rush, at just 15 years old. Then there's Michaela Ulmer, who at the tender age of 4 turned her fear of bees into a buzzing business. Inspired by her great-grandmother's flaxseed lemonade recipe, Michaela launched Me and the Bees Lemonade, a company that not only quenches thirst, but also raises awareness about the importance of bee conservation. These stories prove that with hard work, dedication, and a sprinkle of creativity, anything is possible. So, what's your story going to be? What impact are you going to make on the world? Section 10. Time is money, my friend. You've probably heard the saying, time is money. It might sound cliche, but it's true. As a teenager, your time is valuable, and it's important to use it wisely. Think about it. Every hour you spend scrolling through social media or binge watching your favorite shows is an hour you could be using to work towards your goals, learn new skills, or earn some extra cash. Now, I'm not saying you should become a workaholic and ditch all your fun activities. Balance is key, remember? But by being mindful of how you spend your time, you can make the most of every opportunity that comes your way. Remember, time management is a skill that takes practice and discipline. Section 11. Go get that green. So there you have it. You're now armed with the knowledge, inspiration, and motivation to start building your own financial empire. Remember, making money isn't just about having more cash in your pocket. It's about taking control of your future, pursuing your passions, and making a difference in the world. Don't be afraid to start small. Experiment with different ideas and learn from your mistakes. The most successful entrepreneurs are often the ones who took risks, embraced failure as a learning opportunity, and never gave up on their dreams. So what are you waiting for? Get out there, hustle hard, and show the world what you're made of.